Mask up, Key West.
Hey!
That's a big thing going on here in Key West. Is they've had only 15 cases of COVID, so they really are. They had this big push to make sure everyone is masked up here in Key West. But that's not the reason why we're giving you a PR statement.
We haven't been here in a long time, so we just kind of wanted to show you guys what's new, show you the Halloween decorations. We like the spooky season now.
It is, and we were wandering around, and look where we came up to. Robert Eugene Otto's old home, the artist house.
And like we said, Carlos is really awesome, and if he's watching, hi, thank you so much. You've done so much for us. You've given us so much information as well, and he's just a cool dude.
He is. We went inside a while ago, and we're really super excited to go back in and talk with Carlos. We're trying to hopefully at some point eventually,
maybe a couple months, we don't know,
we can stay here.
But there are cars, so we're trying to talk a little bit louder, especially with our masks. But if you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on that link, and hopefully you stay within the entirety of the video, because I think we're cool. Hopefully you think we're cool. You hit that subscribe button, share with your family and friends, and
hit the bell notification so you get notified when we do post videos. Currently, due to COVID, we are only posting 2 days a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, guys. And we just are really thankful for everyone that has subscribed to our channel.
We keep growing and growing, and you guys like are exceptional, because like we said, we have those little goals, and then when we meet them and pass them by far, it's an incredible feeling. We're completely
thankful for all your support and appreciative. But guys, we really hope you enjoy this video. We're just going to run around Duval Street, maybe hit up Hard Rock Cafe.
Who knows?
And we'll definitely go inside here.
Yeah.
Can you get that?
So, Susie moved us with you last Christmas. Well, we're actually staying here at the hotel. So, and we check out there next Friday. And so we wanted to come here to stay Friday night and Saturday night, check out on Sunday.
I will have to say, Carlos did a heck of a job decorating. And his staff. I don't want to... We have crows and ravens. I remember this chair.
I have to take another picture. Duh. With my mask on. Times have changed.
So we're over here at the artist house. We're really excited.
Oh my God, it's decorated. It's spooky.
It is. But we're really super excited. This place is amazing. We're not staying here.
Not this time, no.
But we're trying to get a room.
Hopefully soon.
Yeah.
We'll see.
You're so silhouetted because it's so light in here. So Amber's posting of that picture on Instagram.
Behind the scenes.
I'm so bad at Instagram that I post the pictures and she does everything else.
I try.
But guys, this is the closest we've ever sat to
copyright.
Some cool stuff. This was from Brad Delson of Lincoln Park. I think Amber's cousin likes Lincoln Park.
Possibly.
Oh, it's Slipknot. Sorry guys, I'm horrible with bands, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm going to shut you off.
And we'll show you guys around here to see like the difference. I mean, it's not too packed.
Yeah.
It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah. Guys, we're over here inside of the Hard Rock in Key West. It looks Hard Rock Cafe. Guys, this place is beautiful. I love it. I love this place here. Trying to get the best angle for it, but here we go. And here are the cocktails. Again, it looks like the same from Universal, but it doesn't matter if it's the same menu. The fact is,
it's like a really cool house, mansion type.
It is. And then you can also do the QR code for the Key West menu as well. And they're doing a special here. Family bundle. Oh, and they do $1 from each family bundle will go to a hungry kid. That's cool.
It feeds like 4 to 5 people. See?
Yeah.
Feeds 4 to 5. You have like fajitas, burger.
That's really cool. That just seems like a lot of food. I think we'll be wasting it, which
I
will be.
I want to donate to it, but
Yeah.
I don't think.
Alright, so my food just came. I got the smokehouse platter with barbecue ribs, pulled pork. It looks like onion ring straws,
It looks good too.
French fries, and baked beans, and still a great song being played.
Yeah, so guys, still talk. Keep talking. I got the what burger? Legendary burger?
Yes.
It comes with an onion ring inside the burger, but I got it on this side. Look how excited you are.
As you guys know, I love ribs. The music here is amazing. Like,
It's really good.
the food's really good. The music makes it even better.
Well, it's Hard Rock Cafe. What do you expect?
Yeah, but they don't play these awesome songs in Universal.
Look what I'm playing. World's tiniest violin.
Are you whining? How's your burger?
My burger is good.
Your burger.
It's good. It's actually really good. How's your steak? I mean, ribs.
I wanted steak. No, the ribs are really good. They're just as good as Universal. The pulled pork was.
You ate all of it.
I did. I wish it had more barbecue sauce. I think that might be my only gripe.
You could ask.
I could have, but honestly, guys, the food here is really good.
Yeah, it's really good. Like it's nice and chill right now, which is cool. We'll have to show you guys like all the different stuff. Maybe not everything, but we'll try to get what we can for you guys. I feel like the camera's really close to my face.
But
You're a photographer.
I am. They have a lot of Led Zeppelin guitar and all that stuff. They have Bob Dylan's guitar. That's so cool. And Jim Morrison from The Doors. A Jimi Hendrix pick. We got more Jimi Hendrix stuff, like his boots. That's so cool. No. Well, I guess we're done. Yeah. They had Fred Durst.
What are you doing?
She's mad. Look at that. And look, guys, Marilyn Manson's shirt. That's so cool. I got your head.
Okay.
Will I am his sweater, yeah. Gloria Estefan. She's from Miami, guys. But look at that little shirt. Is that a shirt or is that a dress?
It's a
Romper thingy?
jacket.
Stevie Nicks, sorry. Ooh. It's Carl Perkins.
I thought you wanted a picture.
Yeah. Michael Jackson's
Favorite
hand.
things with
Oh, that's so cool. Courtney Love. Carl Perkins. Oh wow, Amber, you missed this. Guys, this is the words and music by Carl Perkins. Blue suede shoes. That's so cool. Grease lightning. Oh, that's her shoes from Grease. What was that?
no, her style of shoes, she portrayed Sandy, so yeah.
So cool. Oh, they got more Grease. Wow, that was a script?
Official. Beach Boys.
Holy cow, they got the Beach Boys.
Wow. Well, it is super well air conditioned.
A Jimmy Buffett guitar.
Michael Jackson self-portrait.
And you have Charlie Parker.
Wow.
You know, a lot of these names, Miss Amber, are from when we were in Memphis.
I know, that's crazy.
Oh,
They have
damn Elvis!
Oh,
Sorry for the excitement.
that is pretty cool though.
And everybody, we saw
Saw it.
their
Tux
and wedding dress.
And jets.
This chair jumped out in front of me.
John Lennon and Yoko Ono.
That's so cool. So we're headed over to Mallory Square, which is funny because I always get it confused with Mallory's Circle.
You lived on a street?
Yes. I think of all the places here in Key West, besides seeing Robert the Doll and the Artist House,
Yeah.
would be this area right here.
Yeah. It's
like-
not just Mallory's either. Like, it's like stores.
Yeah. There isn't a lot of people on Duval Street except for like in the club area. So where we went, once we got to Mallory, there was like nobody.
And then people are wearing their masks. You know, they're staying healthy. But like it's with everything that's open, especially here for Florida, being like phase 3, you'd think there's
Yeah.
more people, like more tourists and stuff. But
Well-
it's good though, because it's like coming towards the holidays.
Yeah.
They're bright in water.
So the law here in Key West is you have to have this on when you can't social distance outside, and when you're inside the building, it has to be on at all times. Outside you can have it off, so that's why we don't have them on right now. 'Cause we're
Plus
outside.
it's like flying everywhere.
Oh god, yeah. But
It feels really nice.
it is.
It's not a lot of people, especially for a Friday late afternoon.
Yeah. I mean, we still like it here. I mean, I think of all the places, Mallory, because the history of it is really
Yeah.
cool.
It's cool just seeing, like, even being in Hard Rock and walking around in there.
Oh my God.
Like, just seeing the architecture and it being one of the oldest buildings. Like, it's crazy.
It is. It is. But we're going to go find the car, and I think we're going to go see Gene Otto.
Yep, unless I find a shop.
God, please help me. So we're inside the Otto family plot. It's really well upkept, I think, for the most part. But we kind of, I think we're going to make it a tradition. Every time we're down here, I think we want to pay our respects to Robert, Eugene, Otto.